Thank you for coming back again. Would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. For those of you who are stopping by for the first time, thank you so much. And we do hope to see you again. For those of you who are returning, thanks for coming back, checking out what's going on. Well, it's that time again, and I'm excited. I've been away for a while, so I'm back, and I went to my post office box, and I had quite a few boxes sitting there, one of which, Onyxbox, okay? And this is the June 2018 Onyxbox. And I'm really excited to jump right in and see what's in here. For those of you who are not familiar with Onyxbox, this is a monthly beauty box for women of color, by women of color. How about that? Some kind of way, some women of color had something to do with this wonderful box right here. And the cost of this box is $25 per month. And in it you'll find some wonderful goodies, those that make a difference in our life for women with a little bit of melanin in their skin. Okay? And so, with that being said, I do want to encourage you to take a look down in the description box below, and you will see a coupon code. So if you decide, which I'm pretty sure you will, if you decide you want to subscribe to Onyxbox, that coupon code down below will get goodies for you and for me. For you, it's going to take some money off of your first box when you subscribe. Not a little bit of money. It's going to make a big difference in the cost of your first box. So try it out. I'm sure you'll love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start talking about this box. Of course, as always, now my apologies, I took my my label off. Okay, trying to keep my whereabouts, you know, incognito kind of thing. But anyway, so this wonderful symbol right here is the Empatipos symbol, and it is a sign of peace and unity. Our monthly celebration unites all skin tones and hair textures to discover the joy in Black beauty. We see you. We're with you. We are Onyxbox. Okay, let's jump right in. See what's going on in this box. They seal it very well. Okay, first of all, as usual, when we open the box, you see all of these beautiful hues. Okay, shades of us. All right, and, oh, beautiful. Okay, each month we get a description card. Look at that. Look at that. That right there is some beautiful artwork. And this says, we are Onyx, the travel series. How about that? I apologize for the glare from the ring lights, but okay. And this month's theme is Brazilian Bombshell, the travel series. So it says, time to turn on your out-of-office notifications. This summer, Onyxbox is going places. First stop, Brazil. Okay, this is travel series. That means it's going to be a couple more. All right, and it says, run away with us to Rio and enjoy some of our favorite Brazilian beauty secrets. Turn up the AC because we have everything you need to take your look from beauty to bombshell. XO, the Onyx team. All right, so let's jump right into the box. Okay, oh yes, I'm so excited right now. Okay, now I might as well show you this first because this is Okay, I'm just going to jump right into the box, okay? You'll see why in a minute. Okay. The very first product in the box. I want this so bad. I'm so glad I got it. Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. How about that right there? Okay, now for I'm so excited about this. I just jumped all over the place, so let me just back up while I'm holding it so you can check it out. Okay, now at $25 per month, we get 4 to 5, sometimes 6. Sometimes they put some bonus items into the box every month. Okay, and trust me, you get more than $25 worth out of this box. So, okay, y'all know I love you because I'm opening this up right now. I didn't even read what it says. Okay, I'll just take the plastic off and then I'll read it to you. Okay, it says Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Manufacturer suggested retail price $20. Powered by, okay, I'm not even gonna mess with that word. That wonderful, it's probably a fruit or a flower. Okay, that's it. It's infused with. I'll put the the name of it right across the bottom of the screen. Okay, so you'll know what it is that I'm talking about. It says to help smooth and firm the look of skin. The delicious fragrance of salted caramel and pistachio will transport you to Rio. All right, infused with a nourishing blend of natural Amazonian ingredients and a subtle shimmer for irresistible, radiant skin. You receive the deluxe size that has a $20 retail value. Okay, it's sealed really well here. Okay. Oh my God, this smells amazing. Okay, nice and thick. I mean, even the top is full. So, all right, we're going to do this. I'm just going to take a little bit off. Right there. I'll put the cap back on. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. This feels so good. So good, so good, so good. Okay, so the reason I said that we were just going to jump right in because they included in the box a coupon for 20% off of your first order. Actually, it doesn't even say it has to be your first order. It gives you the code so you can get 20% off your entire order. See, I told y'all there will be a reason for you to want this box. Okay, so item number 1, Sol de Janeiro. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. That's what it says right there. Okay, so moving right along to the next product, Marigot Deep Treatment Butter. It's kind of big. I can barely, okay, there we go. All right, and this says, this daily deep treatment conditioner contains a blend of Praxi oil extract, the miracle oil from Brazil, antioxidants, and nutrient-rich butters to help restore and protect your hair from future damage. It intensely hydrates hair without weighing it down or leaving it greasy. You receive the full-size product. Manufacturer suggested retail price $29. This right here paid for the box. Just this one, not the two of them. This one, okay, paid for the box. And this right here is a 5.3 fluid ounce size deep treatment butter post wash hydration. It's completely sealed. So I'll let you know about that later on. Okay, I'll tell you you know exactly what it was that was in. Okay, something is kind of going on here with this camera shot. Give me a second. I'm not sure what it is that's going on. Maybe it was just me, but you know, I don't want to be all up in your grill, you know, kind of thing. But so that's this one. So that's item number 2. And then we have, okay, Pearlie's coconut rice and green tea vitamin C sheet masks. It's 2 of them. Okay. Now last month we did get the full size of the Pearlie's skin cleanser. So this goes right along with it. It says these natural fiber masks deliver antioxidants and minerals right to your skin. These power blends soothe and nourish, all while fighting free radicals. Coconut locks in moisture. Green tea promotes elasticity, while white rice and vitamin C brighten, leaving skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. We receive 2 full-size sheet masks. Manufacturer suggested retail price $16. Okay, we've had, you know, sheet masks before. You know, that is kind of self-explanatory how to use it, but yes. So I'm very excited about those as well. Oh, I'm loving this box. I'm loving the June Onyxbox. Y'all better go ahead now. All right, next item is Nomad Cosmetics. Okay, intense eyeshadow in desert sands. Here's the packaging, which is really cute. And let's see if we can get this open so we can see what the color actually looks like. It's cute. Okay, I know I'll be taking, oh, I actually have this. Okay, and of course I'll be taking this pen out. I'll have to put it into a Z palette because it's really, really small, but it's a beautiful color. Beautiful color. Okay, nice black packaging. And it says Nomad Cosmetics Intense Eyeshadow. Meet your new go-to travel buddy. Perfect for your carry-on. Change your look instantly and brighten your eyes with a swipe on the lid or applied in the waterline. Okay. This intensely vibrant and buttery eyeshadow is infused with argan oil to smooth lids for crease-proof, long-wearing color. This is a deluxe size. Manufacturer suggested retail price $6. Okay. Alrighty. Then the last. Okay. The last product in the box. Okay, this thing is super duper sealed, but I'm just going to try and get it to you without too much of a glare. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and open it so you can see. Alright, so while I do that, let me just tell you what it is. RK by Kiss All Over Glow Bronzing Powder. Okay, here we go. Right here. Alright. And it says, from sunrise to long after the sun sets, this silky smooth SPF infused bronzing powder delivers a natural head to toe glow on any skin tone. Luminous and radiant, your sun-kissed appeal will look perfect at any time of the year. This is the full-size product. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $3. Okay, so let's see. I don't have my brushes over here, so I'm just gonna take it and alright, kind of bronze up my wrist. Do we see a difference here? This is the same one we put the Brazilian Bum Bum cream on, by the way. Oh yeah, but I do see the shimmery difference right there. See? So here we go. So that is the contents of the June Onyx box. Now, like I said before, we do have a coupon code down below in the description box. If you choose to try out the Onyx box for yourself, I'm sure you will not be disappointed. I am sure of that. I'm really excited over these items. I'm definitely, I feel like I've gotten my money's worth every month, by the way. Okay, so I encourage you to take a look. You know, if you're not sure yet, go down and check a couple of the other unboxings and see what's in those as well. Okay, so thank you once again. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up right there, you know, right there, and then like, comment, and subscribe, and keep coming back. Even if this one did not appeal to you that much, I am bound to create something that you like. If you have a suggestion or something that you would like to see, leave me a message down below. I'll check it out and I'll let you know what we can do. So once again, thank you for watching. And regardless of the season that you're in, remember, we are all seasoned beauties. Here it is. Once again, the June 2018 Onyx box. Thanks for watching, and until next time,